my wrist, it's sturdy and tight. Holds my world together in the dead of night. Simple threads bound in loops, or a rebel's might. Paracord bracelet keeps my troubles light.
Today's project is called Widow.
Wrap of the core, never out of place. Tied to my journey, it's part of my pace.
It is made with 4mm and 2mm paracord. Core, 4mm paracord, 4 strands core, consisting of 2 strands at 14 inches or 35.56 centimeters, melt together to connect to form a loop, connected to form the core. Got black and red, which is both 4mm thick. The black is 66 inches or 167.64 centimeters. The red, which is 56 inches or 142.24 centimeters. The stitching is done with 2mm paracord, and this is Chinese silk. It's red. It is 60 inches or 152.4 centimeters. A pair of scissors or something to cut with. A lighter or some form of fire. A presser or your finger. We're going to be using some fids at one point in here. So, let's do it. Okay. To the side, in between the cow hitches. Alright, we're starting with the black. Goes underneath, in between 2 and 3 in the center, and goes to your left. On the left side, black goes over the strand, underneath, up in between 2 and 3, and down to the lip. For the red, right side, down in between 1 and 2, comes up in between 1 and 2, and on the left side of the red. The red on the left side goes down to the loop, in between 2 and 3, and comes up between 2 and 3 on the right side of the left side red. Cinch it up. Tied to my journey, it's part of my pace. Through every bound, 'tis my saving grace. Paracord life strong as steel unseen, woven tight like a rebel's dream. There you go. Now, black on the right side comes underneath, in between 2 and 3, and to the left. Left side black goes over that black, comes up in the middle, in between 2 and 3, and goes down in the loop on the right side. The red on the right side goes down in between 2 and 3, and comes up between 2 and 3 on the right side, the left side of the red. The left side red goes down in between 2 and 3, comes up between 2 and 3, in between, on the right side of the left side red. Up, tighten. It's better to hold down right in here when you pull. Keeps you from making a mess. Alright. Again, that is underneath, up in between 2 and 3. The black on the left side, and over that, up in between 2 and 3. Then down to the loop on the right side. The red once again goes down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 2 and 3 on the left side of the right side red. Confusing, sorry. The red from the left side, down in between 2 and 3, comes up in between 2 and 3 on the right side of the red from the left side. Cinch up, tighten.
Around my wrist, it's sturdy and tight. Holds my world together in the dead of night. Simple threads bound.
So it should look so far in the back.
Paracord bracelet keeps my troubles light. Ran through the desert with dust in my face. Wrap of the core, never out of place. Tied to my journey, it's part of my pace. Through every bound, 'tis my saving grace. Paracord life strong as steel unseen, woven tight like a rebel's dream. From climbing peaks to rushing streams, paracord life sews up the seams. Black as the night, or green like the trees. Color of strength, a storm sweet breeze. Twisted fate wraps around with ease. Survival in threads, tying new memories. Through all the heat and cold we go, bound by the strength it quietly shows. No need for words, it just knows. Paracord bracelet in life's ebb and flow. Keep it close in this rugged world. A silent bond, a flag unfurled. Strands of hope in color swirl. Safety's grip in a tight coil curl. Strong as steel unseen, woven tight like a rebel's dreams. From climbing peaks to rushing streams, paracord life sews up the seams. Paracord life strong as steel unseen, woven tight like a rebel's dream. From climbing peaks to rushing streams, paracord life sews up the seams. Black as the night, or green like the trees. Color of strength, a storm sweet breeze. Twisted fate wraps around with ease. Survival in threads, tying new memories. Through all the heat and cold we go, bound by the strength it quietly shows. No need for words, it just knows. Paracord bracelet in life's ebb and flow. Around my wrist, it's sturdy and tight. Holds my world together in the dead of night. Simple threads bound in loops, or a rebel's might. Paracord bracelet keeps my troubles light. Ran through the desert with dust in my face. Wrap of the cord, never out of place.
Okay, the one on the right
It's
side.
part of my pace. Through every bound, 'tis my saving grace. Paracord life strong as steel unseen, woven tight like a rebel's dream. From climbing peaks to rushing streams.
Alright, go down to
Paracord
hold
life
this right there by
soars
it.
up the seams. Black as the night, or green like
Alright.
the trees.
Come out there, then you go
A storm
1,
sweet breeze.
2, the second one.
Twisted fate
Go down.
wraps around these surviving threads, tying to
Then come around. 1, 2,
through all the heat and cold we go, bound by the strength it quietly shows.
around.
No need for work,
1, 2.
it just knows. Paracord bracelet in life's ebb and flow. Keep it close in this rugged world. A silent bond, a flag unfurled. Strands of hope in colors swirl. Safety's grip in a tight coil curl.
Now, across and through the next toe. And down. Skip 2. And down.
Paracord life strong as steel
Skip
unseen.
2.
Woven tight
And down.
like a rebel's dream.
I mean skip 2. Skip and go
From
over 2.
climbing peaks to
There.
rushing streams.
1, 2.
Paracord life
Down.
soars up the seams.
1, 2.
Paracord life strong as steel
And
unseen.
here.
Woven tight like a rebel's dream. From climbing peaks to rushing streams. Paracord life soars up the seams. Black as the
1, 2.
night, or green like the trees. Color of
1,
strength,
2.
a storm sweet breeze. Twisted fate wraps around with ease. Survival in threads, tying new memories. Through all the heat and cold we go, bound by the strength it quietly shows. No need for words, it just knows. Paracord bracelet in life's ebb and flow. Around my wrist it's sturdy and tight, holds my world together in the dead of night. Simple threads bound in loops or a rebel's might. Paracord bracelet keeps my troubles light. Ran through the desert with dust in my face. Wrap of the cord, never out of place. Tied to my journey, it's part of my pace. Through every bound, 'tis my saving